Hello everyone. Now let us start your exercise 2.4. Remember, exercise 2.4 and 2.5 both are very typical. So you have to do it 2 times. Okay? So learn it properly, try to understand. Open your textbook. In PDF also you can do it. Exercise 2.4, page number 43. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. Method is very simple, but before starting this exercise 2.4, I want to explain two rules. Actually, these two rules are not given in your textbook, but you can apply. Okay? See, the first rule is, if sum of the coefficient all the terms equals to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial p over x. If polynomial is p over y, then y minus 1 is a factor. Here we select polynomial over x, so x minus 1 is a factor. Again, sum of the coefficient of all the terms, as for example, let p of x means polynomial is over x, we select x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, now try to find out the sum of the coefficient. Sum of the coefficient of all the terms. For each and every term, find out coefficient. Coefficient of x cube is 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 1. Coefficient of x is plus 1. And the constant term is minus 1. Now add it. 1 minus 1 is 0, plus 1 minus 1 is 0, means total is 0. So in this way, if sum of the coefficient of all the term is 0, then you can say that x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Okay? So this is the rule. You know that if x minus 1 is a factor, then its remainder is always 0, means p of 1, remainder minus 1 hoy to શું લખવાનું plus 1. So p of 1 is always 0. Okay? Now suppose the question, if sum of the coefficient of all the term is not 0, if it is not 0, then what? Then another rule, if it is not 0, then apply sum of the coefficient of odd power terms, if it should be equals to sum of the coefficient of even power terms. Sum of the coefficient of odd power term and even power term are equal, same, then we can say x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Polynomial is over x. As for example, see, polynomial, let 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2. Is it okay? See, if you apply sum of the coefficient of all the terms, then all the terms are positive, so it never be equals to 0. Then if it is not equal to 0, means if this rule is not applied, then apply this rule. Sum of the coefficient of odd power, 3 is the odd power, so this is odd power term, 1 is the odd power, this is odd power term. Okay, so sum of the coefficient of odd power terms Here odd power coefficient is 3, odd power term coefficient is 1. So 3 plus 1 total is 4. Same manner, sum of the coefficient of even power term. Even power terms, 2 power is even, so its coefficient is 2, and the constant we called even power, so it is also 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. If both are equal, then you can say that x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Okay, it should be same. Agar same hota hai, then and then we say that x plus 1 is a factor. And now the another question, if it is not same, then what? Then try and error method. Place p of 2 here. If p of 2 is 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. Place p of minus 2. If you place here minus 2, okay, and the answer is 0, then x plus 2 is a factor. So in this way you have to try and error. In your textbook, try and error method is given. But we apply this 2 rule so that most of the sum will done by this. Is it okay? Now we start exercise 2.4. Write down this. You can take a snap also, right? Exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. We'll determine x plus 1 is a factor or not. Question. Okay. The first polynomial is given x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We select p of x equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We want to find x plus 1 is a factor or not. So you can apply the rule also, and you can apply, or it means you can find remainder also. If remainder is 0, then x plus 1 is a factor. To prove x plus 1, we should take remainder what? P of plus 1, so hoy minus 1. So let p of minus 1 equals to what? Okay, place x means minus 1, x means minus 1, x means minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, plus minus minus 1 plus 1. See, plus 1 and minus 1 0, plus 1 and minus 1 0. So p of minus 1 is 0. If p of minus 1 is 0, you can say that x plus 1 is a factor. Is it okay? This is the simple method, factor. Otherwise, or with the help of rule, all the terms are positive, so sum of the coefficient of all the term is not 0. So we apply sum of the coefficient of odd power term, find out odd power term and find out their coefficient and then add it. Odd power, 3 power and 1 power is odd power, its coefficient is 1, plus its coefficient is also 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Now sum of the coefficient of even power terms. Even power term is 2 power, so its coefficient is 1, and constant is also even power, 1 plus 1, 2, both are same, so you can write x plus 1 is a factor. Even polynomial. Is it okay? Second, x raised to 4, p of x equals to x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Let again take p of minus 1, place the value x means minus 1. Wherever there is x, place minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 power, that is even power, plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, so I write it here minus 1. Even power means plus 1, plus minus minus 1 plus 1. See, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, remaining 1. So P of minus 1 equal to 1 means it is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, you can write x plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of P of x. Is it okay? Now question number 3. Repeat this video and then write it. You can do by yourself also, it is very easy. Third number, x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. We want to find whether x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial or not. So plus 1, so let the remainder is minus 1, plus 1, so minus 1, place the value minus 1 raised to 4. Wherever there is x, place minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 power is plus 1, even power is always positive, odd power is negative, so plus minus minus, 3 ones are 3. Even power is positive, so plus 3 ones are 3, plus minus minus 1, plus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1, 0, plus 3 and minus 3, 0, remaining is 1, which is not equal to 0. So you can write x plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of given polynomial. Fourth, x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Now check it. You can open this bracket and after that place the value. So first step is simplifying x cube minus x square minus 2 into x minus 2x plus minus minus root 2 into x root 2x plus root 2. Now let the remainder is p of minus 1. Now place the value of x as minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 because power is odd. Minus this minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus minus plus. 2 ones are 2. Don't write minus minus plus because minus 1 square is plus 1. In this term is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Is it okay? Minus minus plus root 2 ones are root 2 plus root 2. See. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 times root 2. If you don't understand the addition, then think about that root 2 is x. So x plus x equal to 2x. X means what? Root 2. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 is 0. So this is 2 root 2 which is not equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Is it okay? Very simple method and very simple sum. Now question number 2. Okay, write down this. We will start in next lecture.